Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need the essentials now. Updated iPhone 16, unlocked with Face ID or passcode available. First, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. If Control Center is disabled, open Settings right arrow Control Center and enable it. Once done, locate the display or brightness control so you can access night mode controls quickly. This is the one-way path. Start inside the screen controls to alter display behavior immediately. Don't waste time toggling unrelated settings. Begin at Control Center, or you press and hold the brightness slider to reveal the advanced options. This is where night mode appears. Then choose night mode to toggle it on, or select schedule to automate it between custom times like 21, 00 and 07, 00. Make sure to adjust the color temperature and intensity sliders to reduce blue light and lower screen glow for comfortable night viewing. Once set, night mode will persist. You'll know why, because it changes both luminance and color balance for better sleep and reduced eye strain. You finish by verifying settings, right arrow display and brightness to confirm night mode and any schedule are active. Double-check Do Not Disturb or Focus presets, don't override it. If night mode fails to persist, restart the iPhone 16 and reapply the setting. A reboot often clears transient glitches. If problems continue, reset display settings only, not the whole device, then reconfigure night mode. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure low power mode isn't limiting background adjustments. Turn it off temporarily and re-enable night mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.